we've got horses at different levels, so you get to see different things. Why don't you guys come on over here? So we're gonna do a very, very simple exercise, and I'm gonna start it off right now. But basically, it's like an alignment drill. Like, you ever driven your car down the road and you let go of the steering wheel to see if it's tracking straight or not, and it pulls to the right or pulls to the left? You guys ever tried that? That's kind of what we're gonna do here. So I'm gonna show you a little faster, maybe it'll be a little easier to see. I'm gonna make my ideal circle a little bigger, and Millie decided we're gonna do it at the lope. And let her tell me where she wants to go. So she wants to go this way. When she does, I'm just gonna simply put pressure, steer her back to the middle and see where she wants to go again. Okay, she comes over here, no big deal, put pressure on her, go off again. Right now, all I wanted was to what? Lope a circle without having to help her. And right now she just made one circle all on her own. You look like you're thinking too much. Put your hand down, put your hand down. If she leans out, steer the middle. Let me see, can I get on your horse for a second? So this horse, I'm gonna take it one step further. I'm not even worried about a circle right now. As soon as she goes to leave, I'm just gonna guide her and then turn her loose. But look at this horse making changes right now. But I'm doing nothing. Now I have to show her when she's right, when she's wrong. So right now, I know she wants to leave. I gotta let her do it though. Then when she does, I steer off. She actually steers pretty darn good. Let her go over there. Let her do it. Now steer away from it. Sometimes the biggest change is like the smallest little thing. And sometimes you don't know if it's gonna work. I didn't know if that was gonna get better, but it did. Always amazed at how fast once you figure out how to get on the same page with them, it's not hard.
So with that being said, we're going to jump off, we'll take a little break, we'll jump right back into the spin, okay? And then today, we got some sandwiches for lunch, nothing else, the sandwiches is on tap. Let's see this first step of the spin. That's it, that's it. Come on, back. Hey, what happened? Spin left. Press it forward and over. Nothing happening, right? So now, leg. She's spinning now, right? And then, stop now. Trouble. Now she's spinning. Leave her alone, right? Look at my hand. You guys see that? Nothing happening. We just roll it hard. Now take it away, let it go. Instead of kicking, let's bring that neck right over and roll this first. Alright, now let it stop, let it take care of it. Okay, Justine, left leg at the right end. Under control. Under control. Now let it rip. And stop. You're familiar with? I think they start kind of, getting a little, whoa, stop. What lead do you want? I like that a lot better. Stop! Yeah.
All right, day 2 here at the clinic. The first day went really well. So we've got 5 riders. It's a small group, which has been really nice. We've got different levels, I'm sure, as you've seen. We've got 3 really, really broke horses, and then we've got 2 kind of green horses that their skill set's at a completely different place. So this morning, what I want to work on is circles, transitions from fast to slow. You can do that any level horse. And then we're going to work on some lead changes, which will get us into some lateral work. The days are our competition day, I'm gonna have a reining piece of the pattern, but then we're gonna have like a horsemanship piece, like a technical part. It'll be fun to see what happens and see who wins these buckles. And relax. He likes this. And shut it down. Perfect. Back up, hands low. Can we get back? Get back. There you go. There you go. There you go. Super. Remember, our goal now to move off this left leg, we want nose right, hip right. Nose right, hip right. Nose right, hip right. So you just need to be a little smoother with your hands. So when I watch, I'm seeing you're not quite sure where you want to be, and you're really you're telegraphing that to him because your hands are all over. When they can change directions and their head position doesn't change, you probably are going to get some good lead changes. And if you don't, sell that horse. Now that's no good right there. Look at, you're way over like you had too many margaritas. I'm looking at my target. I'm looking at my target. Feel it. Drill team time. Left. Right. Slow your hands down. Slow your hands down. Left. Left hand up. Left foot forward. Now side pass. When he moves over, release the pressure. When he moves over, release the pressure. When he moves over, release the pressure. Now let's go through this and trot again. See what happens. There you go. That is better. Now come on, let's get aggressive and hold that shoulder out of the way and get this change over with so we can move on. Get it. And walk. Good job. Yeah, you got it.
Pretty good, man. From yesterday to today. What? Oh, man. I don't recognize it. We've got before. Nice straight. Switch the lead that we asked for. Under control. Get a stop and a backup. Judges, please be advised, these horses do not have sliding plates on. Ryan, no sliders. The next two horses do not have sliders. That was amazing. Outstanding job. Judges are also taking into consideration this horse has never done any spins before yesterday. Good job. Nice. Man, that's a good horsemanship. Great job. How's it feel getting around there? She did this yesterday. She never goes down. I've never seen this before. Oh my gosh! You had it, then you lost it, then you had it. Oh, stop. You got it. Great job. You got it done though, whatever it takes. Hey, please, hold on. Oh, this is right, listen. Is he gonna do it? Gotta get behind it out of there. Oh, you're good. Nice work. Oh, wow. Are you going again or are you calling it good? Wow. What? They're saying that I'm the reason why you got that. No problem. We're going to do the Blue Thunder Dream Team Most Improved Award. I don't think there is any denying. I think it's Heather and Tragedy by far. You did such a great job. The horse gave you a lot of challenges, a lot of trouble yesterday, and it's been real easy. You just quit, not making it. You did a great job. You did a great job. I was working. You came back and tried everything we talked about, and she showed a ton of improvement today.
Thank you.
The first one. Great job. Now we got our bundle for the winner of the patterns today. This was tough with the reining and the horsemanship side. Staying on pattern was the biggest thing. Winning for overall on all patterns with Alvin and Harley. Got through the columns here, knocking over only one. Nailed that lead change, walked off, great job, buddy. Awesome job. Let's take some pictures. He's got an equalizer here by 100X. Selling this for you. Ryan, we got something for you. Yeah. That's the end of the game. Yeah. You guys come on down here. Let's take a picture.